Hi, Billy Elliott here doing a real user's review of the Lansky two-sided stone sharpening puck. Soaking it in a bit of water right at the moment. You've got your coarse side and you've got your fine side. Tapered edges so you can easily hold it. Good control. You can use it to sharpen shovels, sickles, knives. In this case, I'm going to be doing a quick demo with my rusted Swedish woods hatchet. I like to use the water. Some people prefer the oil. I find it gums the stone up too much, and the water sloughs off the slurry. So you can see it bites in pretty good. There's the coarse side demonstration. These stones will last a long time. They're hard, laminated here, and are very well made. Lansky has a brilliant reputation for developing good sharpening stones. This one is exceptional. The smooth side, I use a circular motion. Of course, keeping your fingers up on the tapered edge, away from the sharp edge of the axe. Dipping it in water, and you get a quick result. Does a good job. I've been using Lansky pucks for over, 40 years now. Every bit as good as they ever were, if not better. Highly recommend it.